What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm actually starting a new series where I'm gonna be introducing my students on their first day of driving, and then I'm gonna follow them through until they get their driver's license.
I'm gonna go.
So we're gonna pass that truck. It's gonna be okay, trust me. Alright, what's your name again, madam?
Melissa.
Melissa from Jamaica.
Yes.
And this is your first driving lesson, right?
Yes, I don't feel like I'm gonna die today.
No, you're not gonna die today. You're gonna be perfectly okay. Alright, go ahead, stay close. When you pass the truck, then you go back to your right side. Alright, so like I say, it's Melissa's first day. So what this series is really, okay, stop at the stop sign. Stop.
Okay, I'm going.
We're gonna go straight. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow a few students from day number 1, and every time we do driving lessons, I'm gonna do a video to show their progress, and then I'm gonna take you with them to the DMV when they're taking their driving tests, and we'll see how, if they pass or not. So far, my track record on people passing the driving test is 99.9. I think I had like one girl fail the test a while back. Everyone passes. So I want to show the process and the progress of every student that wants to be involved. So Melissa agreed to be in the videos, so Melissa would be the first one in this series. Alright, so this is episode 1 for Melissa. And she's doing okay. She's nervous, but she's doing okay. You don't think you're doing okay? You're doing fine.
Yeah, my foot stopped trembling.
She wanted to go to an empty parking lot, but I don't do empty parking lots. Initially we drive around the neighborhood, get you used to driving in the neighborhood, and then we'll gradually go on to the main roads.
Oh, next year.
Not next year, a couple days. And then we'll ultimately go to the DMV to practice the driving test. You'll see all of that. You've seen many of those type of videos. So now I'm going to show you the process from beginning to end. I've only been doing just the end videos when they're practicing their driving test. So now you'll get to see the entire process. It's really not that difficult. You're nervous, but you're not as bad as you think you are. You're actually doing pretty good. Considering. Yeah.
Considering if you had cancel the appointment this morning, I would feel good.
I don't cancel unless I have to. So you wanted me to cancel?
Yes,
really?
so I don't have to do it.
That's not cool. Alright, go that way. That way, to the left. Don't stop though. You have the right of way, so go ahead. Yeah, they have the stop sign. You had the right of way. Alright, so we're gonna go around this truck, and then we're going to make a left turn. Alright, slow down a little bit.
My damn foot is too heavy.
Your foot is heavy?
Yeah.
If I tell you how many times I've heard that, I make a left turn. And you know what I say when my students say their foot is heavy? You know what I say when they say that?
What I say?
No one's foot is heavy. It's called a lack of control.
So, okay.
So you're not in control of everything yet. But as you get better, go straight. As you get better, your foot will get so-called lighter. Then you'll gain control, and it'll be cool.
Okay.
Yeah, but it is, in actuality, it's what, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get.
True.
Yeah, it's not automatic. You're not going to be like a good driver on day 1. You practice and then you get better. And, they'll be able to see the progress as you go. You'll see the progress. You'll start feel, because look, even, how many minutes in? Like 10 minutes in, and you're starting to get a little bit more comfortable. Stop sign. So you got to start slowing down before you get there. Go straight.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to start slowing down, a couple of feet, like 100 feet before, and gradually slow down and then stop without having to push so hard. If you wait until the last minute, then you will have to press really hard on the brakes to start the car. My auntie lives here. This is the first house we lived in when we came to America.
I just want to get my foot need to get comfortable with the gas and the brake.
Yeah, it won't get comfortable right away though. It takes a while. It takes a little while, but you'll get there. Alright, so it's a four-way stop sign. You know how the four-way stop signs are, right?
I remember.
Whoever gets here first goes first.
Okay, so I'm going straight, right?
Now it's your turn. Go straight ahead. Yeah, so the people pulling up, right? Because you're there already, you get to go, and they have to stop.
Okay, but I still have to look out for the assholes then.
Well, you still have to look out for people that don't stop, because everyone doesn't really necessarily stop at the stop sign. Some of them just drive right through it. So yeah, even though you have the right of way, you still wait to make sure that people are going to respect the four-way stop sign. You know what I mean? You don't want to fight and end up in an accident just because you were there first. So yeah, I get that. Okay, so we're going to stop completely again. A little bit too hard.
This car probably hate me behind me right now.
No, they're not. They don't care about the car behind you. They can read. It says driving school.
Oh, you pass go around me if you can't wait too bad.
Yeah, it says driving school. They don't really have a choice. They just have to wait. I mean, the speed limit right now is 15 anyway. We're in a school zone. See the sign, the flashing sign?
And I'm doing,
They're doing 15. All right, so we're making a left turn. Signal left. Pull down for left. And we're going to start pressing the brake a little bit gradually, and then stop. Now, after this Mini Cooper, then it's your turn. Go ahead.
This dude don't look like he's
Go
gonna
ahead,
stop.
make a left. So they have the stop sign now. Take your time. So yeah. All right, see? You're learning. You're letting go off the wheel and everything. That is cool. I just finished the kid that lives in this house right here. He just got his license. No, he got his license last week.
Oh.
Yeah.
So how many days person normally take?
Honestly, the average student, if you're not super nervous, it's possible to do it in 8 days. Most people take the package at 5, and some are able to do it in 5 days. Some need 10 days, which is 2 packages. But the less nervous you are, the more likely that you'll be able to finish in like 5 to 8 days. That's the average. Yeah, that's good. See, but you're getting it already. You're gonna be fine. Even though you're thinking you're super nervous, you're doing great.
Yeah, because I know I have to do it.
Okay, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you live in South Florida, driving is a must.
It's a must. Because Uber taking all my money.
Yeah, nowadays, everybody uses Uber. Everybody's too bougie for the bus. I remember back in the days.
I take bus, but most time when I want to get somewhere real fast,
you take Uber.
I take Uber.
I remember back in the days, people take the bus. Now everybody takes Uber.
And now if you take Uber on the bus, they feel like you're not cool enough for them.
Yeah, because Uber Eats, I mean, I've had student before that, you know, because their Uber thing is attached to their credit card, they just take Uber every day, and when they get paid, they pay Uber. And this one girl was telling me that her Uber bill, turn away slightly, her Uber bill is actually more than she makes.
No.
When she go to pay for her Uber bill, it's more than she makes on her paycheck. She lives with her parents, so
okay, she okay.
So that she doesn't have bills, but that's crazy. Like, what's the point of working?
Straight?
Yeah, go straight. If you're just working to pay for Uber.
For the week, most I would take is 3 Uber.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, in Florida you need to drive because it's highly impractical to take Uber back and forth to work, especially if you're working $25 an hour, it's okay.
Yeah.
But if you're just working $9, $8 per hour,
that's not okay.
It's crazy to be taking Uber because Uber is basically taking everything that you're working for. I mean, nobody likes to take the bus. I guess it's not glamorous enough, but but if you're making $8 and $9 an hour, that's basically the most practical solution to your transportation problem. And it's temporary. You should be planning to drive, right?
Yeah.
You shouldn't be living in Florida with no intention to drive. So whatever move.
Trust me, I had the intention of never driving.
Really?
Yes, I had the intention.
That's fair talking. That's not real.
Yeah, it's fair talking. Trust me.
It's definitely not real. Like, there's no one that is out there saying, you know, they don't plan to drive unless they're scared. That's really the reason.
No, I'm seriously terrified.
Yeah, but alright. By day number 3, I bet you'll be over that completely.
I'm getting used to it now.
Driving. Yeah.
It's feeling nice.
Exactly. You're gonna be enjoying and driving. You're gonna be like, wow, I can't wait for Henry to come. Looking forward to my driving lesson. That even though they start out very, very nervous, after a while everybody start looking forward to driving lessons because.
And I see a lot of person driving. If they can do it, I can do it.
Of course. Everybody can drive. You just have to learn it. You know what I mean? Like I say, it's a process. Go this way again. Yeah.
And the thing is, I don't want no one who know me teach me.
Why? Because they're gonna rough you up. That is true. Just like, you know, husbands are the worst.
He wanted to teach me, and I told him no. That's
Yeah.
why I'm not gonna let him know until I get my license. And I get, yeah. Even when I went for my learners,
Yeah.
no one knew. When I passed the test, I sent everyone a picture.
Oh, you're one of those people, huh? Super secretive.
Yeah, and I'm doing the same thing with this. Everyone asks me, oh, what are you doing today? I'm studying for school, which I'm gonna do after this.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, so we're going to make a left turn at the 4-way stop sign. Yes, I'm trying to figure out how long I should make each video. I think we'll do each video at about 15 minutes.
Yeah. Anyway.
I don't want to make them super long. Yeah, you know, I mean, just to give an idea of how you're doing and how you were doing on day 1 and so on and so on.
Right as hell.
Yeah, you're doing great though. Alright, go ahead and make your left turn. So again, this is a 4-way stop sign. You're here first. You stopped completely though. That was not a good stop, madam.
Oh, sorry.
Take your time. Yeah, you just really slow down and roll through that one. That's called a Hollywood stop. That's ticket worthy right there. Yeah.
And I don't want to be stopped by the cops in America.
But if you're driving, you always run that possibility. But if you stay within the rules, you know, pay attention to the speed limits, stop at stop signs, like you didn't do just now.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't been pulled over by a cop for a minute. It's been a good couple of years.
I think I'm too tense.
Yeah, but that's okay. Again, it gets better. As we speak about the cops, here they are.
Yeah, they'll be fine. You're taking me on the main road?
No, this is not the main road. This is 47th Avenue.
It's another vehicle now.
Yeah.
Don't pay me no mind.
The feds. No man, it's not. This is a. It's a main road in the neighborhood, I suppose, but it's still light traffic. Look, it's only one car in front of us and one behind us. So we're good. Gently on the gas.
I need to find a comfortable spot for my foot.
A comfortable spot for your foot?
Yeah.
Okay, slow down for the speed bump.
Oh!
Alright, so we're gonna go straight. So stop and then go straight. Again, it's a 4-way, so whoever gets there first. Alright, now it's your turn. Go ahead. This guy with his pretty wheels on his car. Yeah, this neighborhood here, Lauderhill, when we first came to America, I lived in here. My uncle actually built that house right there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Yeah, we lived in this neighborhood when we were one of maybe 5 black families in this part of Lauderhill when we came here.
And then it's majority is that 90% black.
No, yeah. But yeah, when we used to take the school bus to go to Boyd Anderson High School, it was like 5 black kids on the entire bus going to Boyd Anderson. Boyd Anderson at the time was probably about 70% white.
Mm.
Yeah, these areas were all white when we were kids. And yeah, now it's basically mostly black. But the good thing is it's still looking the same way. It doesn't look run down, and it's nice.
True.
Most of the black people over here are actually Caribbean people too.
They look like some crackhead live back here.
Nah, ain't no crackhead back here. What are you talking about? No, you said it doesn't.
No, it doesn't look like crackhead live back here.
Okay, it looks good. It still looks good. Okay, so we're gonna go straight.
After this one?
Yeah. Yeah, but people always come with that nonsense, like, you know, if it's a mostly black area, they act like just because it's a mostly black area it's gonna be run down. It's absolutely not.
I'm gonna go turn.
People are taking care of their place. We're gonna make a left turn here because
they're working right here.
This guy. Okay, so you have to stop and wait. Stop right here. Alright, go ahead, go slowly. Alright, so we're just gonna keep going.
And wait.
FPNL people. Go back to your right lane. Alright, cool. See, you did good with that. You didn't even panic or anything.
No.
No.
I tell you, I have to drive. I'm not gonna be taking a bus with no baby on it.
Oh, you have a baby?
No.
Then why you say that?
I need one.
Like you just say it just random.
I know, I need one.
You need a baby or you want a baby? Why would you need a baby?
I don't have any kids.
So you want one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I need one.
You need one? Need is...
It's not a must.
Need is a big word.
Yeah.
Make a left. We need water. We need the air that you breathe. We need a few things, but most things we want.
I need one though.
You want a baby?
No, I need one.
Okay, alright, so you need one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so this video has gone on for 17 plus minutes.
Gonna go straight?
We're gonna go straight. So I'm gonna end this video.
Okay.
Alright, so you see how she's doing. This is day number 1, and even though she started off extremely nervous, she has actually calmed down quite a bit. And she's doing well. So the next time I pick her up, which we haven't scheduled yet, I'm going to do a second video and a third and a fourth and so on. And again, ultimately we will end it when she gets her driver's license. So tell your friends about this series thing that I'm trying. Leave something in the comments to tell me if you enjoy watching these, or should I keep doing the series. I'm just starting, so I'm gonna do it for a while just to see how it works. But yeah, come back, check her out. Melissa, first day for Melissa. Remember the videos that I did before, I never really called anyone's name or anything. I never have any identifying thing in the video. So now we know this is Melissa on day number 1, episode 1. Alright, come back often to check Melissa out, see what she's doing, and I will see you on the next video.